Please tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Morning, guys.
Ayun, shade po siya. Tinulungan niyo. Oh, pa siya ng gatas. You're right? Hey, we have to celebrate. Yeah. Uy, what are you doing? Bye na kami, guys.
Fine. Can I have a cup, please?
Cup for Holly here, Barbie. Si Jan, kinukuha niya lang yung mga pinamili niya.
I'll do it at the other.
And ito, isa to sa nabili namin sa J-Pack. Kasi ito yung aking, pang ano to guys, pang shower and glass. Pero ako, gagamitin ko siya dito pag nag-deep clean ba ako. Deep clean? O kaya dito, pag ito nililinis ko, sa mga tubig-tubig. Ayan. Pang ano sa tubig. Especially sa ganito. Ayan. Pandinis. Wala pa si Jan. Lukuha niya yung mga
I did
pinamili niya.
myself one.
Did you?
Look.
Wow! Good job! Ah, that's too much!
No.
Well, you have to drink it all.
I will. Here.
And tinanggal ko na yung mga pinaglalagay niya dyan kanina. Nung nag-unpack sila ni Jan. Hintayin lang natin si Jan. Para sana i-unbox niya sa atin yan. Wala pa si Jan. Siguro mayroon siyang tawag. So, eto. Ha?
I got unbox that.
Unbox? Maybe. Kanina, nung nandun kami sa house, tumitingin si Jan ng mga double wall na, andito na siya. Hello, my love. Okay. Ng double wall na cup or mug. Kaso wala siyang, alright, meron doon. Meron doon, pero wala siyang wala siyang handle.
That's cereal,
Kasi kung huwag kang bumili niyan kasi meron ako sa bahay. Eto, nabili ko to noon sa Adelaide. Eto, double wall din to.
I want unbox this.
Wait, Baba. So, nabili ko siya dati, ang price niya before is $74.95. Nakuha ko lang siyang $67. Yeah, $67.95. So, parang $68. Pero may free siyang dalawa, kaya kinuha ko siya. So, 6 to. So, sabi ko, kung gusto niya, pwede naman to. Meron din ako yung, meron ako yung may handle. Pero gusto rin dyan yung malaki. Ito kasi walang handle. Oh. Ayan, ganito ang itsura niya. Oh. Meron ko yung may handle. Wait. Eto ba? Ayan. Pero gusto ni Jan matangkad kasi nga, di ba? Coffee lover si Jan.
And yours, those ones, Bob.
Wow.
Those little ones, that's for your little hot chocolate.
Wow.
That is one.
Yeah, you got you get two.
So, ako na muna. Wait, Han.
Oh, and I didn't know. That's yours.
I-hold ko muna to bago siya mag-unboxing. So, that's mine. So, sa Coles muna tayo. Ito yung nabili niya sa Coles. So, ito yung Starbucks na house blend. Longo. Ayan, Longo. Ito, ang kinuha niya. Isang ganito and dalawa. Ilang piraso to? Ito yung capsule or pods. Ito, 8 pieces ang laman niya. 8 capsules. And dito, meron siyang biniling malaki. The same lang yung flavor. Ilang capsules? 30 capsules. Plus, diba? Nag-hoard din siya. So, meron siyang 60 capsules. And bumili siya ng ng Cadbury na drinking chocolate. Meron ako dyan, diba? Yung nabili ko sa sa Grove. And, eto sa house to nabili. Pumunta kami sa house kasi naghahanap siya ng stand para dito sa mga capsules. And wala yung gusto niya. Ang gusto niya sana ay yung silver. Yung matangkad ba? Wala. Sabi ko, eto na lang. Eto, gusto ko to kasi... Wait. Buksan natin.
Yeah.
Gusto ko to. Mas buti nga wala yun. Kasi hindi ko naman bet yun. Buti ito yung meron doon. Ayan, wood. Ayan, wood siya, guys.
Those are pretty.
Wait, Baba, wait.
Those are pretty.
Ayan, wood siya. Na meron ganyan. Coffee. Nakalagay coffee. Pero patayo siya, guys, kasi nandito yung stand niya. Okay. And sa J-Pack, ang nabili niya ay eto. Ito yung paper. Ito yung ano ba? Disposable cups. Dalawa ang binili niya. Ilang pieces ba ito sa isang ganito? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 25 pieces. So, mayroon kami 50 cups. Tapos, takip. Separate yung ano, bayad sa takip tsaka sa
Mom, is these ones
cup.
are yours?
And binilhan din niya yung mga bata ng maliit na...
Those ones are ours.
Yeah, ito.
And these ones are yours.
Ano yan, takip. Ito naman, binilhan niya yung mga bata. Ito, smaller ano siya, version.
They look so
Ayan.
pretty.
50 pieces din. Where's the lid, Han? For
These
this
have
one?
the lid.
This
I thought you
same?
were going the black lids.
Yeah, I know. Why you give me white?
Because you confused me.
I said black. I know, when it's white cups, because you change the cups. Kasi dapat puting cups, tapos black lid. Yeah. Kaso si Jan, mas gusto niya yung ganito. What do you call this, ha?
Ripple.
Ha?
Ripple.
Ripple?
Ripple cup.
Ripple cup. Yung parang
That's
ganyan.
alright.
Ripple. Ayan o. Yung parang may grip ba siya? Ayan.
Can we
Ripple.
unbox the big
Ripple
one?
cup.
Yeah.
And doon naman sa, saan ba yun? Pumunta ka pa kasi sa isang, ano ba? Sa isang kitchen house. Hindi siya live-in kitchen. Itong binili niya, guys.
And my Fruit Loops.
Yeah, Fruit Loops. Yung shaker. Right, Han? This is shaker, right?
Yeah.
Yep. And bumili siya ng mug na malaki. So, yan yung nabili namin.
Hey, let's get all these stuff.
Alright. So, ayusin ko lang ito. Hinuhugasan
What
niya
is
na.
this?
Hinuhugasan niya na yung nabili niyang mug. Excited ako dito.
This is so pretty.
Ganda to. Tapos, sabi ni Johnny Boy,
This.
tanggalin ko yung iba. Yung mga yan, para sa coffee maker niya. Tapos,
So, do you just do that?
ay nako. So, tatanggalin natin to. Ito. Oh, diba? Tapos, ito
I
din.
can't go there.
Ha?
I'm going to go there.
Where?
You'll have to go the other side of it.
This side?
Yeah, because it's can't go put it near cooking.
Oh, yeah. There? Well, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. So, okay. Wait lang. So, unbox niya to. Wait, honey. Ano ginagawa niya? What are you doing, hon? Okay.
Unboxing my love.
Yeah, hon. I think this one. Ah, okay. You're right. Ooh.
From everywhere.
Oh, Baba, don't.
This is where you put all your eggs.
What they give us here?
Yeah, that's free. That's an espresso brand.
Oh,
They have all, I think, 14 pieces.
Oh, color.
All the flavor, and then yeah, so you can try, and then if you want one of them, you can just buy this one or this one. So meron siyang 14 pieces na free na capsules from Nespresso.
Where's Houseplant?
Huh? What's that?
Where's Houseplant?
Here, I think.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
that's it.
that one.
Lungo.
Longo.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
We're gonna make that.
Yeah.
That's
Right.
for the milk.
So yan yung stand. That's the stand. If you're gonna have a small coffee. So ito yung paglalagyan ng milk. So yan yan yung stand. That's a stand.
Here
And-
it is.
Okay.
Oh, that's part of it.
So yung nag-unboxing na hindi nagsasalita. Oh, ayan na yung unit, guys.
You know about it.
Careful. Okay, yan. Ganyan lang siya kaliit. So, now, wait, Baba. Can you hold that one? Okay. So, now, doon ko muna linagay yung mga cups.
What's that? Is that the water going?
Yeah, that's the water. Yeah, that's for the water. Yan yung paglalagyan ng tubig. So, wait, Han. We have to... Not yet. Later na. I'll do that. Oh, gusto ko ako magtanggal ng ano.
This is your pod.
Yeah, or capsules. Yeah.
Boom.
What's that?
Serial number.
Serial number, okay. Feeling ko, magre-rearrange ako, guys. Kasi, kung dito siya...
Smell it.
Wait lang, guys, ha? Wait lang.
Okay, put the colors.
You have to remove that one. Okay, perfect size. Okay, ayan yung mug niya na nabili. Okay, I think I have to rearrange, Han. I have to, maybe I will put that coffee maker. Not there. Not there because it's too bulky. Wait, I'll do it. Wait.
Come on, let's get one going.
Yeah, just
Coffee.
wait.
Sugar pies. You can't do that, Bob.
Tanggalin muna natin ito.
I can do it while you're working that book.
Oh, really go. Yeah, I like that better, isn't it? Just away from the...
Then the capsule here. And from the...
Hello!
Yeah, I just have here. So, everything. Yeah, like that. Okay. So, ganyan siguro. Nagmamadali kasi si Sir. Tatanggalin niya yung ano. Yeah, you have to put water first. So,
set it in that.
huh? Alright. So, hindi pa yan iinumin, guys. Huhugasan niya yung machine. Yan, huhugasan niya yung machine. So, yan, lalagyan niya rin ng tubig.
Too big?
Tubig.
Too big?
Just make it max 2, huh?
Too big?
Okay.
I don't know which one it was.
That way. Okay. Okay, then turn it on. Tanggalin niya na yung plastic. Sabi ko ako yung magtatanggal. Oh. Okay. Lagyan niya ng mug. Kasi,
Turn on.
yeah, turn on. Kasi lilinisan ba yung ating machine muna. So, next, ayan, linagay na dito ni Jan. It's on. So, just press. And dapat eto, naka-point to dito. Tapos, dapat tumigil sila mag-blink.
Sorry, press.
Not yet, because it's still blinking, Han. You have to wait. Tapos ngayon, okay, Han. Ipipress niya yan. Ayan. Lilinisan niya na yung ating machine. So, huminto na siya, guys, kanina. Tapos, press ulit ni Jan. And, ayan na yung tubig.
That's hot already.
Yeah. No, don't touch. It's hot.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't touch. So, ayan, lilinisin niya lang muna. So, may self-cleaning siya, guys.
It's dripping.
One touch lang, ha? Okay.
Wow.
Wait, Baba. Sabi kasi doon sa manual, pipindutin daw yan lahat para malinis lahat yung yan ba, kung ano yung gusto nyong coffee na iinumin. Okay? Just wait, Han, because it's cleaning. And tubig. Mapupuno na siya, guys. Oh. Mapupuno na yung ating mug. Okay. Tip this out first, Han, because it's full. So, tapon lang muna natin yan kasi alis yan, Baba.
What's good?
Hindi pa tapos linisin. So, okay, which next? This one. Nakita nyo, nagbi-blink-blink. Okay. Okay, puno na naman siya. Wait. Ayan, pangalawa na puno. Okay, press that.
Okay, we've got to put water.
Oh, naubusan na ng tubig, guys. Hindi pa tapos maglinis. So, mag-refill lang si Jan. Meron pang 4. 4 pa yung pipindutin. One touch lang talaga siya. Ang galing niya. Ang galing. Bumili rin pala kami ng gatas sa sa Coles. Ito yung siya, skim milk. Mamaya pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, ganyan.
I'm trying it.
Easy to digest. Low fat milk ang nakalagay.
We have to oh, when do we
Okay, meron siyang gatas. Next. Where's the capsule, Baba? That one. So, nilagay na ni Jan yung capsule, guys. So, what kind of coffee you want, honey? So, ngayon, close.
And we'll go try
What, cappuccino?
this one.
What's that?
Latte.
Latte. Okay, press. Ooh. One touch only. And dapat naka-set na siya dito, guys. Oh. Ayan na yung gatas. Yung gatas, oh.
So what's the other one?
Cappuccino.
No, I wonder what I... This is that one.
That one. Ayan na. Okay. Hindi nyo makita kasi
Coffee?
white na white. Yeah. That will be next. Oh.
What? Is it cappuccino? Is that cappuccino?
No, latte.
Oh, that's it.
Oh, it smells so good. Ang bango.
A bango is like spray.
So, hindi namin ginamit yung stand kasi malaking mag yung gamit natin.
What's that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Colors here. This color.
That's it. So, try it now.
Oh, there's some coffee.
No.
So, inugasan ko lang to. Ngayon, i-wipe ko siya kasi ano siya, basa. Ayan, binuksan na ni Jan yung kanyang oops, chocolate para sa shaker.
I'm having some.
You are?
Make chewing gum.
So, maglalagay pang sugar. So, ayan na yung shaker. Para tayong nasa coffee shop.
I don't know what...
What? Trial pa lang naman to, guys. So, hindi namin alam. Sabi ni Jan, maglalagay siya ng sugar. Yes?
Some Doritos.
Yeah. Wash your hands first. So, first, siguro, ilalagay muna yung sugar kasi nawala na. May foam pa naman. Wow, wow. May pa-design ka pa. So, what happened to your, wow, shake. Shake. Wow.
I can reach.
Cappuccino, sir? Latte? I reckon what? Is it hot?
I try.
What's the taste?
Remember there's froth, then the coffee comes after it.
Yeah, just be careful.
Right.
Oy, you're not supposed to be drinking coffee.
Good.
Good?
Oh, it's a bit hot.
Very hot, Baba.
In a cup.
Okay, try it.
Try that one.
I can have coffee. I can have coffee. Mom, can you put some in
Not
my
bad.
cup?
Hala.
I'm having this one.
Hoy, no, you're not allowed to have coffee. So, ano yung trinay niya? Hoy, no.
Hey, give me coffee now.
I'll try mine, Mark.
Wow, the new man. Hoy, yung dalawa kinon. Maybe put, I don't know, paano ba yan, guys?
Yeah, that's right.
2 sugar.
Going the other way now.
What that?
Well, where's that going?
There's a bin there.
Alright. So
Okay.
now,
What? Or is it there? Yung, tatry niya yung Starbucks. Yung kanina, eto, yung sa Nespresso. What?
I love the coffee. It
No,
smells so good.
yeah, but you're not allowed to drink that one. Okay, ganyan.
I like it.
So, naglagay siyang sugar dun sa mug or sa cup niya. So, ang itatry niya, what are you having? Coffee latte? Coffee latte yung sa
That's got
kanya.
to go in first, I reckon, then the milk's after. That's
Ah, before kasi, because of the latte is more milk, I think, honey.
Well, I'm
Hindi
hoping
ko rin alam.
hoping it's gonna.
What? Yung sugar mo, maybe,
I've got enough milk.
I don't think so. Hala. No, not
that'd be
much.
As long as this keeps going.
Alright. Ang bango.
Mom, the hot
Yeah.
chocolate,
Feeling ko kukulangin kayo sa gatas.
So that one there was the coffee
Yeah.
latte.
Coffee latte. So, ayan. And then, yung gatas na. Okay lang. May tira pang konting gatas. Tapos na. Is that supposed to be like that? Oh, are you gonna put your shaker?
Mom, I don't want
Yeah, you don't drink that one. Where's your shaker, hon?
But can you make hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, Mom, can you get me the Doritos, please?
Wait.
Gosh, I love the coffee.
Okay.
Coffee.
Oh, you're not
I
out
just
to
don't know
drink.
how much.
What? Froth.
Oh, there's
A lot.
Yeah, there's a froth there.
Yeah. Yeah.
What?
Okay,
But
try.
yeah, I think the little cups are like.
What?
I don't know. You're gonna have to read up. I don't know.
Yeah, hindi pa namin alam kung gusto namin yung maliit lang na cups kasi yan, big cups yan eh.
Spiky, I'll try that one.
Oh, you're not supposed to be drinking coffee.
No, this one's a bit.
How is it? Is it good? How about the sugar? Too sugar?
This one's hot, that.
Hot, 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 hot. Ano?
No, I don't like it.
Yeah, good.
That's
Ano
so
ha?
bad.
Is it good? No, let me try it.
How old do you have to have chocolate? Wait, well, I want to
When you're old enough.
I want to see what
Kasi try ko siya, guys.
I want to see what kind of one is it, Mom. On the top. Mom, can you get Doritos and things?
You need more sugar.
Nah, two's enough.
Yeah, is that good? Ah, for me it's too strong.
Mom.
So may tirang gatas, ilalagay niya sa ref.
It's gonna have to go in here.
Yeah, that meron siyang sarili niyang pwesto dyan. Yep, galing. Oh, hugasan niya na kasi sa kanya yan, dapat hugasan niya. So, ilalagay ko na yung mga capsules or pods dito. So, ayan. Tapon niya lang yung mga boxes. Oh, hi! Put that in the fire.
Oh,
The box. No? So, ako, ang gagawin ko ay lilinisan ko yung kalat dito. And eto, alam, dami namin, no? Akala mo, magtitinda kami ng kape. So, okay guys. Ayusin ko muna din. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung anong magiging itsura ng ating bagong kusina dahil dyan sa pang-coffee maker ni Johnny Boy. Kanina, napuno yung mug nung nililinis namin to. Ayan. Bumaha siya. So, ano lang natin. Hindi ko pa alam. Kasi kung bubuhatin ko siya, ang bigat niya, guys. So, ganito na lang. Diba kararating lang niya ni Kuya? Ayun siya, oh. Practice agad-agad siya ng golf. Magko-coffee ulit siya, guys. Ayan, nalinis ko na. Ayan na yung itsura niya. And dito ko linagay yung capsule sa likod. Dito dapat. Kaso parang napaka-crowded na. No, it's off.
is there still water in the back?
Yes. Gagawa ulit siya, guys. Nag-refill ulit. Refill ulit siya ng ano, ng gatas. Kasi pag yun, linagay ko dito, eto, mawawalan siya ng paglalagyan. And parang ang dilim. Kaya linagay ko lang siya sa likod. So, ayan. Eto yung lobat ako. So, dito, etong lahat na to ay Starbucks. Eto, Nespresso, yung free. Doon sa kasama nito. Hanggang dyan. And etong tatlo ay ano siya? Tawag na? Starbucks. So, si Johnny Boy. Okay. Practice ulit siya. Okay. Oh, on hand. On.
Yeah, you can close it
Yeah.
off.
Alright.
Is there much water in there?
Yeah, I check. Think so. Yeah? Okay, what mug?
I'll put a bit more in.
Oh, lagay ulit siya ng tubig. Lagay ulit siya ng tubig doon sa likod. I-check nyo lagi na dapat merong tubig, tsaka gatas, Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, it's alright.
Okay.
Nasikipan siya. Wow, baka mag-coffee to every minute. Nagustuhan niya talaga to. Ayan,
Where's
punong-puno.
mine?
That, yeah. All that one. Hinahanap niya yung kanyang Starbucks. And, nilabas ko pala yung aking, eto. Hindi ko pa to nagagamit. Hugasan ko to kasi ilalagay ko dito yung sugar niya. Ayan. Hugasan ko to. Labas ko lang. So, dito ko ilalagay yung sugar niya.
Lift that.
Yes, I did. I cleaned it. Wow. Alagang-alag. You still have a sticker here, hon?
Yeah, I like that. That's my favourite.
Whatever. Alright, anong gagawin mo ngayon? Okay, wow. Nabawasan ng isa, lagyan ko ulit yun. Ayan. Nagbiblink siya kasi 15 second daw na iniinit yung tubig. Sabi dun sa manual. 15 seconds. Tapos,
Yeah.
hihinto na siya.
Hot milk.
Okay.
That's hot milk.
Yeah.
For you,
For my hot chocolate.
maybe.
Maybe. Kasi walang capsule na hot chocolate. Para sa mga bata. Ayan. Okay. Second. Pang 2.5 coffee niya na to. Kasi yung kalahati ako minom. Yung latte. So, what are you having? Latte? Oh, okay.
So what happens now?
Dad, you think I can't do it? Dad, you think I can't do it?
Ang bango-bango ng amoy. Smells so good. It smells like coffee shop here.
It is.
Yeah?
So Carly rang and I said, "How was coffee?"
Maghuhulahop na naman siya. Oh.
Can deliver coffee.
Oh, it smells so good. Masarap yung amoy pero hindi ko kaya. Napaka-strong. Ewan ko kasi ini-encourage niya ako mag-coffee.
What favorite color now? Hey, Mom. I'd like food today. Yeah, like maize and stuff. So, it was me, Daily, Kate, and we all made cookies. Put on dough, egg. I didn't want to crush the egg because I want to put shells in it. And we had good ones. You know, we had to measure it if they had the same size.
Yeah.
It was for science.
Alright. So, ayan na.
Hot foam.
Nag-press ulit siya ng isa. Okay. Kung gusto mo pa ng more foam, press niya yan. Tapos, pag malapit na siyang mapuno, press ulit. Then, ayan na. Wow. Oh, your shaker, Han, at the back. Linagay ko doon sa likod para nakatago
Oh,
lang.
I've got to put my sugar in first.
Sugar. Okay pa yung sugar. Hindi ko pa na... Han, there. The what sugar?
I thought you put it in the...
Not yet. I have to wash this container. Hugasan ko nga to. Mamaya nga. So, ilagay siya ng sugar. Two.
That's better, look.
Yeah. More foam. Wow. Feeling...
I hear you nearly had it.
What? Nalagyan niya ng ano, parang design. Na?
Can't it? Yeah, we're going to try that.
Later. Okay. Shaker! Don't forget your shaker! Dinayo mo pa yan sa isang shop. Oh, shala.
I wish.
Si Kuya. Okay. Oh, not yet ba siya
Why
nakaready?
not yet? Why not yet?
Because Daddy is drinking his coffee.
Well, are we allowed to have it? Starbucks. Dad,
Getting better.
Dad,
Getting better?
That's better.
Better? Better daw to, guys. Kasi more foam yung gusto niya.
Dad.
You try that one.
Oh.
Just go that side.
Patry niya na naman to sa... Wait, hon, it's hot.
Yeah, you can't there. Try that side.
It's hot? It's hot?
No, just get her up.
Yeah.
Go a bit more to get the coffee because the coffee's down a bit lower. Don't suck all that. Get some coffee into you.
Maybe it's hot.
It's not.
Yeah.
That's better.
Yeah.
I have it around there, yeah.
So, okay. Sinet niya all the way here before dito lang. Tapos parang kulang yung foam para sa kanya, yung frost. So, linagay niya dito, tinodo niya. Tapos after nun, natapos siya, diba? Ito, nag-hot foam ulit siya. Pinas niya yan. Tapos, nung malapit nang mapuno,
Coffee. Not having more.
pinindot niya yan para
I'll make a hot
mag-stop.
chocolate
So, yan.
before bed.
Wow, hot chocolate. Before bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, si Lola.
It's better, that one.
Yeah.
The first one was a bit strong.
Yeah.
This one's perfect.
Okay. What?
I'm onto it.
Guys, narinig nyo? Oh, yeah,
That's
cabinet.
perfect. That's what it was, just one knob.
Alright. Okay.
And then just top it up with a bit of hot foam.
Yeah, hot foam. Okay.
Then it starts, just press it again.
Alright. Yes, sir.
But I've got to clean that again, sorry.
Okay. Ngayon, lilinisin ulit. Lalagay niya yan sa ref. Then, press clean.
Oh, you just
Press that one. Yeah.
press that one just to run some hot water through it.
Alright.
So,
yeah.
for it to clear up.
Alright. Linis-linis lang muna.
Oh, no, what didn't do it.
Why? Yeah, wait.
Oh, no, what didn't do it.
Why? Why?
Because you got to see it's still not right. You got to get rid of that.
Ah, dapat pala i-lift muna to guys para yung capsule bumaba doon. Kasi kanina, di ba, parang ang brown-brown niya pa. So, ayan. Ayan, puti na siya. So, kailangan ma-dispose muna yun. I-lift lang muna yun para eto ba, i-lift muna para bumaba yung yung capsule. Okay, wow.
Just leave it there, let it drip.
Okay, alright.
And then give it
Ipa-drip lang mo.
another clean and
Alright, painom niya talaga ako. Sabi niya, have a try again.
it just gets better.
Sarap nga. Yeah, it's better than instant coffee. Sarap siya.
That's better.
That's better. Lagi na yan magko-coffee dito. Wow. And si Johnny Boy, nagpalabas ng isang ganito para bukas. Kasi, magdadrive siya bukas ng umaga sa bay. So, gusto niya, nakaprepare na yung kanyang disposable na coffee cup. So, ayan. And, eto, nailagay ko lahat yan. Tapos, kinulang, kumuha ako ng konti dito. And, ang laman pala nito, guys, 3 ganito. So, 3 ganyan. Wait, pakita ko sa inyo. 30 pieces. So, ayan. Binawasan ko to. Binawasan ko yan na siguro 3. Ngayon, kuha tayo ng isa. Oh, ay. Sorry naman. Lagay natin dito para puno lang siya. So, yan. Tapos, yung Nespresso, yun na. Nailagay ko na dun. Yung iba-ibang kulay. Pero mas gusto ni Jen yung Starbucks. So, sa bisita na lang mga yan. Eto. Para hindi siya masayang. Kasi hindi naman yata. Feeling ko hindi ako magko-coffee. Hindi ko pa alam. Siguro konti lang. Not sure. Kung ano. Ay, may caramel. Han, they have cocoa truffle, Han. For me. Ah, wag na. Kasi meron akong yung nabili ko sa Robe. Kasi meron dito sa Nespresso. Yan, meron siya, oh. So, yan. Ibalik ko ito. Tapos, ilagay ko. Tapos, dito ko linagay muna yung mga cups. Kasi, saan ko naman sila ilalagay? Sa dami ba nito? So, dyan lang muna sila. Tapos, yung Starbucks na isang box. Tapos, eto. Ayun si Johnny Boy. Maglalagay na siya ng wood ulit. And, yung box na, yung maliliit lang, ilalagay niya doon. And ako ay lulutuan ko na ng noodles yung mga bata. Si Jan ayaw niyang kumain. Diet daw siya. Ito sa akin. Yan. So, luto lang ako. Simple lang yung dinner namin. Mag-hard-boiled egg ako. Tingnan niyo yung aking
Is it the
lutuan. Parang nang sobrang kadiri niya na.
Can I
No?
crack one?
No, we're not gonna crack.
What?
This is boiled egg. We're gonna boil.
Why is the
Aww.
with the white?
What
The white one.
the white one?
When you crack it, where's the white?
Oh, that's sunny side up eggs. We're not gonna do that because we're having noodles.
No, but
What?
no, you know the
Overuse na talaga to.
You know the little
Overuse. Meron akong mga bago, guys. Hintayin niyo yung aking mga bago. Magaganda yon. And tingnan niyo yung itsura nilang dalawa. Same time ko lang naman sila binili. Pero eto sobrang dungis. Madungis pa sa pinakamadungis. And eto napakaputi niya pa. Eto kasi linulutuan ko siya na may oil. Siguro kaya ganon. Tingnan mo, di ba? Parang, hello. Pero okay pa siya. Kadiri nga lang ng itsura niya. Abangan nyo one day yung aking mga cookwares na in-order ko noon pa, nung nandito si Kat noon eh. Nung in-order ko ata yun. Nung August. Yun, August. Yung si Kat lang, tsaka si Neil, tsaka si Veronica lang yung bisita namin. Yeah, in-order ko yun August last year ha. So, nandiyan pa sila. Hindi ko pa, binuksan ko na yung yung box. Pero yung box mismo dun sa, kung saan nakalagay yung cookwares, hindi ko pa sila binubuksan. And meron pa akong parating. In-order ko siya a month ago or 2 months ago. Kaso, ang sabi niya sa akin, inaccept niya yung aking order kasi eto talaga yung original na gusto kong cookwares. Kaso, hindi siya ma-ship dito sa Australia. And then, refund din nila sa akin yung pera. Kasi sa website ko rin yun binili. So, nirefund nila. Tapos, binili ko etong mga to na hindi nyo pa nakikita. Tapos, mayroon ako nakitang website ulit na yung cookware na gustong-gusto ko talaga. In-order ko siya. Then, after 2 days, nag-email siya sa akin na out of stock and hindi daw pa ma-ship sa Australia. So, yun. Tapos, tinanong niya ako kung gusto kong i-refund yung pera or maghintay ako ngayong June. Sabi ko, maghihintay na lang ako. Kasi, yun talaga yung gustong-gusto kong magkaroon ako noon ng cookware na yun. So, abangan nyo yun. So, ilan na kaya yun? Basta, madami na naman. Pansit Canton. Yeah, okay. I hope we have. Ay, etong kailangan ko rin na ayusin one day. Hindi ko pa nailagay yung binili natin sa Kmart. Tingnan nyo, ang gulo-gulo, oh. Gulo-gulo. Gulo-gulo. Gulo-gulo niyan. Oh, diba? So, eto na yung kay Kuya. Dalawa yan, guys. Dalawang may goring.
I'm gonna use chopsticks. Thank you.
Huh? You're gonna use chopsticks. Okay. Kay ano naman, kay Sak, tsaka kay Holly. Nauna na siya. Si Jan, ayaw, diba? Ayaw yung kumain. So, yung kay Sak, walang yolk. Welcome. Alright. Kuya, tapos ubos. And ito yung akin. Yung dalawa, dito na.
Oh, what do you have for breakfast tomorrow, Sugies?
Oops, thanks, hon. Honey?
What? That's yours.
No, that's Holly. Thank you.
Okay.
Kaya pala siya nawala kanina, guys. Kasi nag-order siya ng dinner niya. Nagutom daw siya. What's that, hon? Beef?
Yeah.
Again?
What do you mean again? I'll never get it.
You'll never get it. Oh, steak! Ayan, kasi ginawa ko... Yeah, I know it is. Kasi ginawa ko siya ng OC topping na sweet, so...
Oh, no, it's a bit... No, it's fat.
Fat, yeah. Umalis kasi kami, dumating kami hapon na. Nasa freezer pa yung yung steak o kaya schnitzel. Kaya, sabi niya, wag ka na magluto. Tapos, nag-order siya. Kumain kami noodles. Yum. Tapos ako maghugas. Kanina pa dito si Jan. Habang naghuhugas ako, nilabas niya na. Nilagyan niya na ng gatas. Yun. Anong itatry mo? Pagawa niyo yung mga bata ng hot chocolate. That's it. Where's the chocolate?
Oh.
He's know what he's doing, Mom.
See, it's not gonna be white on top.
There's too many.
See?
It's white.
Too many.
Just 2 scoop, hon.
2? That's
Yeah.
That's only a little cup.
Yeah, 2. It's... Ay, ang kulit. Sa bagay, coffee maker niya to guys. What?
Zach.
Hey, put it here. One each, please. Here,
Zach,
honey.
Just try that, please.
It's
Now,
too
it might
hot.
be a bit hot.
It's too hot, Zach.
Oi! Get out of it!
It's hot.
It's not hot, Zach. Have a try that, mate. You tell me what you think.
So,
Be honest. Come on.
be honest.
You said it's hot.
No, it's not so bad. You're right. Drink that. Tell what you think.
Zach, come on.
Like that. Just tell what you think.
It's not hot, Zach.
Tell me, Zach. Be honest.
Say no. Say it's not.
Just let him go.
Which better?
Thank you, Zaggy boy.
I don't like that.
That's right. They like
Like what?
the Cadbury one. They like the other
I
one.
told you to get yours.
Well, you opened that one
Okay,
already.
Dad, let
Oh,
me
you
try
try
that.
it. Here, let him try it.
Kuya, walang damit.
Oh, he's sick.
No, he's not.
He's sick.
He's not
He's
sick.
He's
Sick.
He's not.
Marty kasi to si
Just
Sa.
hurry up. Try it.
Marty kasi to si Sa. Ang dumi, oh.
Try it.
Oh,
Just eat it. Just hurry up, Zach. There you go.
Come on.
Give it
I
here.
can't do it. Yeah. Okay, now. Okay.
That's Cadbury, mate.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, I reckon. Yeah, you try it. Get out of it. You try it, babe.
It's my
You
drink.
try it.
You don't tell me to get out of it.
Ours is better talaga.
But it's nice. It's still nice, beautiful.
Well, you put a little bit of water and low
That's
fat.
good, mate, too.
And low fat milk.
I like this one.
Here.
I like this.
Try it.
I like yours.
Try, Baba. Which one?
Then I get to try TJ's and Holly's
Yeah.
and yours, Dad. Especially yours.
Which one is better? It's hard.
Dad, yours is better.
Oh, maybe you won't like that then.
I like
I reckon that's bloody beautiful.
Oh.
I love it.
But yeah, the water so will go.
Mommy, yes.
And then another one.
You getting another one?
No, that had water. Yeah.
So, kay Holly, ito yung kanya.
That's not hot.
Yung kay
That's
Mahalia.
beautiful.
You try this one.
Hurry up, boys. Hurry up.
Mine's better.
Whatever.
Oh, you
Baba.
Hey, drinks here, things here, sit down.
How?
No, we haven't coffee.
Yeah, we're having
Coffee.
Holly,
Baba.
sit on your bum,
Sit on your butt.
right? And no mucking around.
Alright.
Coffee.
Now it's hot, so be careful.
Dad, TJ said I'm a stop.
Careful, Baba. It's alright. It's not hot.
Just about nearly used full milk already.
Huh?
Nearly used full milk already.
I know.
Yeah.
Nag-refill na siya ulit ng gatas, guys.
That's good.
Gagamitin niya yung takeaway para sa friend niya, ano. Starbucks yung gamit niya na. Nescafe, han, for Logan. Kasi wala, hindi niya may inumin yung Nescafe.
I'll grab that cup over.
Need this one.
Put under there, yep.
Kasi nagdidip
Oh,
siya.
then we'll just get rid of the...
Mama, what?
So, ayan na yung para sa friend niya. Coffee delivery siya ngayong gabi. Wow, may pa-shake-shaker pa talaga siyang chocolate. Wow.
Well, that's perfect.
Perfect.
I'll leave that.
You're going now? Alright.
Love it. I'm cold for it.
Alis na siya kasi i-deliver niya to sa friend niya, guys. So, ako na ang maglilinis.
Coffee, no chocolate.
Oh. Where's Holly?
Oh, she just turned this around.
Baba, let's close the vlog. Si Jan nandun sa friend niya, guys. Hindi pa siya bumalik nung pag-deliver niya ng coffee. Okay, let's close. Nakaligo na silang lahat. Okay, thank you, guys. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. Next vlog.
Good
Bye.
night. Did you say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Okay, close it now. Night. Love you. Sweet dreams. Holly. Good night. I love you.
Dice, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.